So everything in Las Vegas was a distraction? Just to buy them time from an attack on the Nevada Dam? Doesn't make sense.
Something doesn't add up. Maybe they're trying to flood the area.
What, and drown a bunch of tourists?
We have escort. The National Guard advance teams are here.
Nice.
This is Copperhead. I'm on your way. Over. Welcome to the party, Copperhead. This is Boggett here. I have lead. Over. Roger that.
The microboat's bomb in the tower would have killed more people than destroyed the dam will.
Well, until we determine what's happening, stick to standard operating procedure.
Tell me we can take down Irina.
Six is still considering it.
Screw that. You tell him none of this would have gotten this far. He'd have given us authorization to take her out in Mexico. The bitch killed Kong. That's on his head.
Okay, I'll talk to him, but until then, your orders stand. Take her alive.
RPG! Evasive! Shit! We're hit! We're hit! We're going down! Evasive! Evasive!
Damn it!
Get us on that bridge, now!
Copperhead, we need a distraction. We're making a run for the bridge. Over. Understood, Bogatir, but take out that damn RPG. I need to get my boys on the dam. Out.
Logan, find out what's happening. We'll stay on Overwatch.
Clear out the tangos on the bridge first, but Irina remains the principal objective. Mike, Jung, rope up!
In position.
Are you guys...
Hey!
You'll have to move.
Hey! Motherfucker! Hey! You shouldn't be here! They sent me out to warn whoever shows up to back off!
Pardon me.
They got a bomb rigged to a timer! They'll take out the bridge if anyone attacks them!
Christ, where are they?
There!
You'll have to
Over
move.
there in the tourist center! But didn't you hear me? They said they'd blow up the bridge! Hell, they probably already started the timer!
Pardon me.
Sorry, mate, but they're not calling the shots anymore. Keep your head down. We'll handle this.
Hustle. Heading out. Engaging Tango. Under heavy fire. Reloading. Anyone keep it?
Go loud!
Roger. In position. Get behind cover. Threat neutralized. Tango
Go, go,
down.
go!
Over there. Roger.
Go silent.
Affirmative.
Hold up. Get over here.
On it.
Guess it's nothing. Guess it's nothing. What? What?
Break out the rope.
On our way.
Hear that? No. Guess it's nothing. And you're too nervous.
On it. Roger. Understood.
Smash and clear.
Hua. With pleasure. Contact. Tango neutralized. Hostile down.
He's going for the bomb!
In position. Mag change. Reloading. Enemy down.
Go, go.
With pleasure.
Go.
Understood. In position. The bomb's already on a countdown.
Well, defuse it.
Right. A nasty piece of work she is. But she's got nothing I haven't handled before. Oh, bloody hell. Oh no, you did not just do that. It's on a short timer. 6 seconds. Wait. Wait. Ah, Christ, she's diffused. There you go. Following. Joe, took care of the bomb.
Roger that. Listen, we can't get any closer without taking heavy fire. It's getting really bad out here. The National Guard's struggling to hold the top of the dam, but the chopper's pulled out.
We
We have to find a way down. We are too high up to use the fast rope. I spotted a cable and winch on the catwalks near you on our flyby. It's a safety line for workers doing maintenance under the bridge. It should be long enough to get you down.
Return fire only.
That's a long drop in the open.
Suck it up. We need to get inside the dam. Logan out.
Not up.
Heading over.
Go down.
Timing down.
Logan, DOD finally provided me with the damned camera feeds. We have a problem.
Arena.
Negative, but you're coming up on this.
Give the signal the choppers are inbound, right?
In position. In position.
What, man? You're gonna say something, say it.
Prepare for entry.
Stacking.
There are no choppers. No choppers? Like Irina's
Target him.
trying to support
Priority
us.
one.
Get out here, you little bitch!
She set up her own guys in Vegas.
I'm gonna fucking touch you!
Not really.
Target him. Priority 2.
Affirmative.
Open and clear.
Copy.
Then back out.
Hostile. Neutralized.
Do you fucking hear me?
Clear.
Logan, save
Stack
whoever's
up.
in that room. They're gonna kill him.
We're on it, Joe.
In position.
Open and clear.
Will do. Spec off. Reloading.
Guess it's nothing.
Prepare for entry.
Fatting up.
Hold position.
Maintaining position.
Group on me.
Sir.
Stack up.
Stacking. I cannot do that. In position.
Open and clear.
On it.
Stack up.
Fatting up.
You mother...
Take him out first.
Roger.
kill me!
Take him out second.
Leave it!
Confirm.
Incoming!
Open and clear.
Roger.
I'm not...
Police! Hey,
Bang and tagged.
Who are these guys?
He was going to... Jesus!
You okay?
Yeah. Look, you need to get me to the control room. Those alarms, there's pressure building on the damn wall from the explosions. If we don't open the spillways, the water's going to pop this thing like a balloon.
Joe, you get that?
I heard. I'll inform the DOD. They're facing a possible evacuation of the Colorado River Basin. Updating your bid with the location of the dam's control center.